Welcome to Sketchiverse, not Sketchiverses, the show where we draw everything and it's all canon.
That's right. I'm Funky.
And I'm Nick, and I took all of Funky's lines. He can't tell me otherwise. It's a whole me show today. No, I'm lying.
Hey, I'm still get paid the same amount. I'm still get paid, so I don't care.
Yeah, we still got paid the same amount of a lot of I was gonna say Twitch revenue, but this isn't on Twitch. The Google AdSense money. We're still making all of it.
Mm-hmm.
Funky, while I begin us on our drawing path here today, would you like to explain this time what we are going to be drawing?
Sure. I would like to pose a question. Wait, what was the... How does weather?
Yeah, exactly. So, of course, Funky and I, whenever we don't have any comments or stuff like that, we got to fend for ourselves and figure out
right.
like what we're going to draw for that week. So... my question to Funky was, how does weather?
Mm-hmm. And we are going to find out with Nick starting first.
Yes, which is always, no pressure needed.
So I'm thinking that's like the horizon or some kind of piece of land on the bottom.
This is definitely a horizon line of sorts. I'm just trying to determine whether or not, like, say this is the Eiffel Tower here. If that's like the Eiffel Tower size, or if like this is the Eiffel Tower size.
Right, yeah,
and then,
okay.
Like, this is like the ozone layer on top of it.
Yeah. You're trying to figure out the scale of things.
Right. Because the sky is the limit.
He's already used that joke on recording. It doesn't count.
I made that joke like a minute before we started recording. I was like, man, I gotta use that again. All right. So I think I'm gonna go with just a regular old nice sunny day.
Okay.
To start, you can't get too zany and out there right now. We're just starting.
So that's how you draw your sons. You're one of those, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Is that not how you draw your sons?
No, it's actually not.
This is how Funky draws.
No, not like
son.
that. Ew.
So, like, how do you draw your son?
I make it more spiky,
Oh, more spiky. So just a lot of.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
This is kind of more like flowery now when you do it that way. It's a very spiky sun. Of course, you gotta kind of look out when you go to turn it on. It'll poke you.
Yep. Careful. When they wear sunglasses, they actually have to wear like extra protection so they don't get poked in the eye.
Oh my god. Okay, I figured out how the sun rises. Okay.
Okay.
So, what happens here is there's like two sides of the planet, right? Depending on the planet, but we're talking just like a go-to spherical
circular
planet, right?
Yeah.
Circular, yeah. It's a
sure,
2D planet.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Well, I'm thinking that like around the planet there's just like two giant cannons. This is again to scale. Of course, like if that's the Eiffel Tower, I don't know why I'm hooked on this Eiffel Tower thing.
Yeah, I don't know.
This episode, but yeah, that's not even like the Empire State Building, which is one of the tallest structures in the world, but it's very large. So, of course, you have this cannon here, and it just launches the sun, and I guess this works for the moon as well to go from the day to night phase on a timer. There's like this is the building here of the people, trying to actually get up to the cannon. What I didn't figure out here so far was how exactly where do they keep the ammunition? Oh.
Yeah, I was gonna say, how do they load the cannon?
All right, I've already figured that out.
Okay.
I'm going like 10 layers too deep now. So. This you can see that there is like a little wheel here, meaning that the cannon can rotate, right?
Mm-hmm.
So on the other side, you can see coming in. The moon.
Okay.
So this cannon here it swivels to catch the moon and then shoot it out again that way when it needs to be nighttime. It's the perfect plan.
I still don't get it.
So like, okay,
but where does the sun go?
So the sun is simultaneously being caught on the other side of the planet in the exact same cannon, but on the other side. So they got this one device on both sides of the planet, and then they're on a timer for when they launch the sun. Okay, it then swivels to look the opposite direction to receive the moon, and then when it catches the moon, it shoots it back out to start the night cycle on the other side of the planet.
Okay, I get it.
Going a lot of layers so deep.
Man, that's some complex stuff. What is that? Oh, is that like the continent?
It could. Yeah, I guess it could. Again, we're still trying to determine the scale here.
Oh yeah, my bad.
I didn't know whether or not to go for like clouds, but a continent kind of works a bit better, I think.
That's a big cannon, dude.
It's a big cannon, and just even the building itself. Like,
yeah, that's a massive.
If this
building.
is the Eiffel Tower, they're like, okay, you cut it out with the Eiffel Tower joke. It just even to have like these continents, like, you know, come up above like the horizon line, like such. Those gotta be some.
There are some tall continents,
right? Well, you know, there's mountains, and
it's just a small planet.
Well, it could be.
Yeah.
We haven't really determined like the scale of like the sun and moon. It could be like this big, but you know, or it could just be like. I don't know, like our sun to the Earth size.
Yeah, that wouldn't make sense.
Yeah, of course. There's like a device. I'm gonna give you like a little X-ray vision in here.
Okay.
Yep. So in here, there's like a little singularity that will shrink down the moon and the sun to cannon size, and then once it's out of the reach of the singularity, it grows to its full size while it's in the air. You can't have the entire strength of the sun as it's approaching the planet, because then everything would just be on fire.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Wow.
That is a artist rendering of a fire.
Yeah, but like this is like, you know, as technology that advanced, they've gotten this cannon. What do they do before the cannon? Do they just not have like day and night?
It's either an Ancient Aliens type situation, or they had fire and they needed to work with that.
Okay.
They maybe progressed a bit more to, sun and moon technology.
Yeah.
Which means they also had to, you know, take care of like the waves and tides and all that fun stuff too.
Man, that's a lot of work.
It's science. It it takes a while to get there.
Yeah. Okay.
So I think I got to start off pretty good. When we switch over to you, you can either continue the scene or start a whole new scene on your own.
Okay. And now I will explain the phenomenon. Is this phenomenon or phenomena? Because people like say both, don't they?
I believe the technical term is phenomena. Da 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 da.
What?
You don't know about the phenomena thing?
Where's that from?
I believe it's from the Muppets. I'm gonna double check us. We're gonna fact check in the video.
Yeah.
Muppets. How do I even search? Phenomena. Yeah. Okay. It auto completed phenomena. So we're good. The way I spelt it was MUH, and then it auto completed the rest. But I guess it's MAHNA. Mana, not mana. So.
So Someone's listening to this like, what the hell is happening?
That's gonna go wonderful if you're watching in closed caption.
Oh yeah, perfect.
So in unintelligible speaking,
Yeah.
it looks like this is a shower head of sorts going on here.
That is correct.
Is this this dude's taking a shower right now?
Yeah. That's how rain is formed in this world.
Oh, wait. Do not collect the rain. Do not drink it.
This guy's head looks weird.
It looks like he was like wearing a hat.
Yeah.
Wait, is this? Oh no, okay. Very distinctly different chin. I was gonna say, is this the scooper?
Yeah, no. This is just how I draw weird characters. All right, so I don't want to draw this guy like naked, so I'll just give him a shirt.
Oh, what's he does shower in his clothes, of course. A lot of complaints on this world. They're like, man, I don't want to see that.
Yeah, it's really gross. Like you wake up and you just see that, and it's just ugh.
The first thing in the morning. I guess. So it looks like, given where like the positioning of the sun and the moon here, more of an evening shower, I would guess.
Yeah, it's it just depends on when he wakes up, and it's just so whenever he like showers and stuff, it rains, and if he like showers for too long, then it starts to flood, because like too much water is like being built up.
He left the water on that day.
Yeah.
Oh man. They really gotta build up some like flood walls on all the continents just to account for this giant's shower schedule.
Yeah. So that's how rain works in this world. And like alternatively, there's also like when it's too hot outside, this guy also has like a giant fan that he has like set up like right here.
Oh my god. Wow. That's bigger than the sun.
Yeah, it's massive.
When he's so close to the sun, he needs a big fan.
Yeah. Okay, this is like the ugliest circle ever. Sorry.
I thought it was mostly there. Who says it needs to be a circular fan?
Yeah, true. You could have a square fan.
I mean, let's be honest. All of our fans are squares.
Yeah, got him.
It's like, man, Nick and Funky, you guys make fun of people watching every episode.
Yeah, we can't afford to do that. Okay.
I don't know with the new Sketchiverse, the numbers were up, so we got to be doing something, right?
Yeah, true.
So is this just like does he have multiple settings here for like a gentle breeze and then just like just hurricane style winds?
Yes, exactly. And in fact, I will put on
oh my
red
god
button.
That's
that's
okay.
like hurricane tornado mode.
I thought you were literally about to write within like the 5 pixel space like gentle and hurricane.
No, that's way too much work. Yeah, that's the fan, and also I can draw on some mesh,
Right. It's so the best thing about the fan is that this world in particular sometimes has an announcer voice and sounds a little bit robotic. It's just this guy talking to the fan.
Exactly, yeah.
Which everybody does. You did it.
Everyone does it, yeah. If you don't do it, then like you're kind of weird.
Right. It's like, hey guys, did you ever, talk into the fan as a kid? And then you had that one guy who's like, no. You know he was lying.
Yeah. What am I, an idiot? So that's how like wind is formed in this world, and rain. Let's see here. Like wind's going on.
That looks pretty good. Normally, what you can do as well is like they'll have like the little paper on the fans to like indicate.
Oh
wind.
yeah, like that kind of thing.
Right.
Yeah. I don't really do that. What else? Is there anything else in weather?
Oh, there maybe weather 2. Weather episode 2 coming at you
coming
next
soon.
time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let us know what kinds of weather you would like us to, explain within the Sketchiverse.
Yeah.
And we will more than happily draw all that for you.
If you found this video entertaining, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe for future episodes.
We will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.